Hello guys, in the previous video I've shown you how to create a simple hydroponic system, and in this one I'll show you how to create a cloning system. I'm gonna use the same jar as in the previous video, and let me first tell you something. I could use this neoprene ring. Yeah, you can buy this from all the hydroponic stores. And this one is 2-inch or 5-inch, 5 centimeters neoprene ring, and I could place it simple in here. After I took my cuttings, place the cuttings in here, and that's all. But I don't like to use this kind of method because I've realized that plants, when they grow bigger, this soft neoprene ring has the tendency to go down, 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 and I don't like this. Okay, also what I do like, I like to use the net pots only for the mother plant. So for cloning I'm using camping mat. So I have here camping mat. How you cut it? Remember how we did in the previous video about the first line? We're gonna do the same thing here. We place the net cap on our camping mat. This is 1 centimeter camping mat. So we place the net pot, we draw a circle around the net pot, and we're gonna cut exactly on that line. Now, after you cut the ring, I've already cut it, and after you cut the ring you also want to cut something like in cross. As you can see here, you insert your cuttings. Yeah, here you can put only one cutting inside of this. You close it, and after that you place it on the lid. Yes, inside your lid. Okay, let's pretend that this toothpick is our cutting. What you have to do is you open your ring, you gently place your cutting inside, you close it, you hold it not very tight but enough to hold the cutting, and after that you gently push this ring inside the lid, like so, and you can adjust the ring as you like. Okay, now this type of method is works also if you have leggy plants. Most of the plants, if they are leggy, special from herbs or other type of plants, if they are leggy, you can take your plants and adjust the level, how much of that stem will go side this way, and you'll have it in the hydroponic solution. Also, what I do like at this camping mat is that it has 2 colors. One is blue and the other one is green, and I found that this one is perfect for what I need, because in this way I can see the exact the exact way, I can see how much the ring has entered into the lid, so I can adjust it as I want. Also, this type of camping mat, it's much better than the neoprene ring, because this one is very soft, you see, very soft, and when the plant grows, it's kind of hard to push down the ring. So I hope you now know how to create your cloning system. You can also use the same system on bigger systems, like I have here in the bucket. You simply replace the net pots and place your ring, and that's it. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.